how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw a cool ghoul. Or it's really just a cool ghost. It's pretty cute, okay? I think it's a fun little idea. So, anywho, it's basically going to be step by step for beginners. Stay all the way to the end of the video. It's only an 8-minute video. So, in 8 minutes, you'll have a new skill, okay? If you stick all the way to the end. Other than that, I'm going to be using, one of these Crayola brand markers. They're really cheap. Otherwise, you can use pencil. Not a big deal. And that's kind of it, really. Oh, and regular printing paper. This is all you need. Right before that, though, if you love Halloween and you love Halloween drawing, stuff, hit that like button and hit the subscribe. Basically, hit the subscribe button. Sorry, why did I just say that? I hit the subscribe button and hit the bell notification because that's what's going to let you know when I post Halloween stuff, mostly around this time of year. But thank you so much. Let's jump into that now. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to start with straight line. He's going to have his glasses on. Down on one side over here. Down on the other side. Yep, we are going to have the sunglasses. The typical cool sunglasses you see in 90s movies. And I'm drawing that, essentially that bar at the top, and I'm going to go like this. Curve here. In. Curve here. Right on. So I'm gonna fill that shape in right here. We got these cool shades. I know it's really corny and stuff like that, but I like it. I think it's cute. If you want to get really, really corny with this, you can do this, like a little shine. So we're gonna draw a little like here, 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 like that kind of thing going on, and over here, here, here. That kind of shine going on here. Yeah. Okay. And so let's draw the ghost in the back of this, okay? I'm going to go over here and give him some ghost hairdo, right? It's going to be a twirl there. Down here. Alright, I'm going to start over here and over here. Pull down. Have one arm over here. Right? Let's have like a funky hand right here. Funky hand. And it's going to go up. Now on this side of his body, I'm going to draw down. Man, this is dorky. I'm just like, gonna go up here, put his other hand, and he is gonna give a thumbs up. I know the Ghostbusters guy gave a peace sign, but this is a thumbs up. Right here, here, here. Pulling in. Over here, and I'm gonna give him a really wild body here. It's gonna be all over the place. That's gonna be his tail there, his ghost tail. 'Cause he's one cool dude. Pulling down here. Pulling in. Alright. And I'm going to draw line across. And this is and I'm going to draw that underneath smile here. This almost looks like a toothpaste character, right? I don't know. I was just thinking about that. I know I'm like making fun of my own drawing, but that's literally what it's reminding me of. It reminds me of those things that they gave out when I was a little kid, and they'd give you these like cool dude toothbrush characters. That's kind of what this reminds me of. All right. So, anyways, line across the middle here, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna split the teeth here, like so. Right on. That cool dude. And we're gonna draw a thicker line on the outside border of him. Not in the shine, but I'm gonna draw a thicker line just on the outside to kind of give emphasis on it, make him look more natural. How about natural, but more I don't know, like more cartoonish. I think I kind of like that cartoon feel to him. And there's still characters like this. Everybody says 90s. I mean, 90s is just when they did it the most. They definitely still have characters similar to this cool dude stuff, like ironic, not ironic. Um, Oopsie daisy. That line went too thick. Right here. I guess a lot of them are. I'm trying to think of somebody that's like this right now. I think the Cheetos guy's like that. I mean, I know he was invented in the 80s or something, right? 70s. I'm not sure. But he's still like that. So, I mean, they still have characters just like that. I'm sure there's some new ones I just can't think of. Over here. Oh, there we go. Trying to straighten this line out a little bit there. Whew. Anyways, that's it. That is a cool ghoul. That is one cool dude. Oh yeah, that is a cool ghost. Thank you so much for watching this. If you enjoyed this, hit that like button. And also, there's a free gift for you in the description. There is free Halloween drawing templates. So it's basically these how-to worksheets, and there's 100 of them. This was literally a product about a year or two ago, a year ago, in the last few years. But I decided this year not to make it a product. I decided to make it 100% free, and that link is in the description. So go take a look at that link, and you get it completely free. All right. Thank you so much. If you think you've gotten value from this, please share this with a friend. Go to the bottom right hand side right there, and there's like I think on YouTube there is an auto share button. You can automatically share it. It takes 2 seconds to share it, maybe 1 second to share it on Twitter or Pinterest or whatever you're logged into. Thank you so much. I will see you next time, and stay spooky.